The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Ready? Yeah, Jackson. Yeah.
Squaddy.
Yeah, when I get a free
Hold them,
show,
Jackson.
man.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I'm wondering how many Michael Jackson impersonators are within the country of Jamaica. You know, because I just presented a video to you, and in my point of view, that video shows a Michael Jackson impersonator. You see me? Some places on social media, it is said that the video shows a Jamaican Michael Jackson. Now, viewers and subscribers, one of the reasons why I presented that video to you is so that you can take a look at the video and you can also let me know what you think. You see me? You can let me know if you think the person actually is a good Michael Jackson impersonator, or if you don't think the person is a good Michael Jackson impersonator. You know, you can tell me what I think about the video. Alright, so I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, yeah, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video shows what happened when a female who goes by the name of Rose and a male who goes by the name of Expert had a confrontation. Some places on social media, it is said that Rose and Expert had a hostile argument, you see me? And some places on social media, it is said that Rose and Expert war, you see me? In my point of view, I don't think that actually is war, but however, you know, this video is not really a long video, viewers and subscribers, you know, and I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. To my knowledge, months ago, it is said that Rose and Expert was in a relationship, but in this recent time, I am not sure if they are still in that type of relationship. You understand me? Yeah. Rose and Expert is well known on social media, is what I'm saying to you, and I do not have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded either. Alright, so some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yo, I don't find someone put him.
Hey, man!
Come for yourself. Come.
One in a year, so. Give me money. Give me $1,000. Give me the money.
I'm a phone here up to time to give me my phone too.
How are you going to explain? If you can't go, leave me in a minute. Feel this.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. A video that is out on social media where it is said that the video shows what happened when Rose and Expert had a hostile argument. Some places on social media, it is said that they had a confrontation. You can let me know what you think about that video. You know, Rose and Expert, they are known on social media. You know, many persons on social media know these two persons. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, so this video shows something that happened within the country that is known as St. Lucia. Yeah? This video shows when a person was being arrested by the police within the country that is known as St. Lucia. You see me? And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers within the country that is known as St. Lucia. Yeah? Big up and respect, alright? This video had been brought to my attention by someone. Yeah? Someone brought this video to my attention, and I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what they think about some of the things that have been said and shown in this video, alright? Alright, so as I'm about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Relax. So, Failing to comply.
I know nothing, sir. But I'm going. I'm going, sir. Sir, I'm going, sir. What you doing with that for? Sir. What you doing with that for? Sir. I never did nothing wrong. Relax. What you doing with that for? Sir. After you go shot my wife. Excuse me, sir. 792. 792. Let us go. Let us go. We cannot put on the vehicle without you, uncle. Why? We cannot put on the vehicle without you, uncle. But I am going. We cannot put on the vehicle. Let us go. That is uncle. Let us go. We cannot put on the vehicle without you, uncle, sir. And you search. Comply. I never do nothing wrong. So we cannot put it. Put it. Let us go. Sasha, let us go. Let us go. I do nothing wrong, sir. We have to search you, sir. We can't put on the vehicle without you being searched. So this is procedure. We cannot put on the vehicle without you are searched. But I have an appointment now. You're signing up. All right. Let us go. So because you do my wife, what you do now? You want to play. You're looking for a reason to arrest me. Arrest me. I know I never quit. Arrest me. Sir, just. Alright, what I do? You want to knock me? You want to knock me? You just want to look for a reason. But that's film that you know. I don't do nothing wrong, you know. Film that you know. Put that on DBS, you know.
DBS, I have my own media company.
Okay, respect, but I don't do nothing wrong, you know. I don't do nothing wrong, you know. I don't do nothing wrong, sir. I don't do nothing wrong. Before I tell you about my mask, that I did nothing wrong, partner. Sasha, let's go. Sasha, let's go. Exactly, yes, sir. Come on, we get there, sir. Yes, sir. Sasha, let us go. Sasha, let us go. You sit down on that side. You sit down on that side. That's why my wife. That's why I'm not going without my wife. That's why we test. Sir, your wife will meet you at the station, sir. Partner, I'm not going without my wife. Your wife will meet you at the station, sir. Partner, my wife have to ride on the vehicle. Sir, your wife will meet you at the station. I don't know what to do with nothing. You are not a minor, sir. Your wife will meet you at the station. If you are a minor, we have to escort your wife if you are not a minor, sir. So you are not a minor, sir. Your wife will meet you at the station. That's what you doing. So your wife will meet you at the Central Police Station, so you are not a minor. Thank you. This guy using something. What did I say to him? What did I say to him? I never insulted him. What I said to him?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you know, I get the understanding that the person who was being arrested was somewhat complying with the police. Yes, somewhat complying with the police. I mean, you know, I think the person felt some way that he was being arrested, you know. I mean, in my point of view, if it was me, I would feel a way to know that I'm being arrested by the police, you know. But however, you know, I think the person somewhat complied, and by complying, I think that's the right thing. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you know, some things have been said about this video on social media. Viewers and subscribers, I mean, some of the things that have been said on social media about this video, I don't really agree with some of those things, you know. And some of those things are somewhat, some bad type of languages used and so forth, you know. Whenever it comes down to the police, when it comes down to the police, you know, you have lots of persons out there who do not agree with nothing at all that any police officer or police officers within the world do or say. You see what I'm saying to you? So I'm not going to repeat some of the things that have been said on social media about this video. You know, so with that, I'm going to move on to another video. But you can let me know what I think about that video that I just presented to you. Alright? The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person riding a trolley on the road. Viewers and subscribers, I think it is dangerous. That's what I'm saying to you. I mean, this person is riding the trolley downhill. You see me? I'm talking about a trolley that some persons might call a shopping cart. Some persons might call it a shopping trolley. You know, some persons might call it a supermarket trolley. But however, you know, this video shows something that I think is dangerous, and I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. You see me? Yeah, I posted a video that shows a person who did something similar. You see me? I'm not sure if the person in the video that I posted is actually the same person in this video. I'm not sure, but however, you know, I posted a video some time ago that shows a person riding something that person might call a shopping trolley or a supermarket trolley. Is what I'm saying to you. However, it's a trolley. Alright, so this video is going to show a person riding a trolley on the public road. I'm talking about the road where vehicles drive on. Yeah, vehicles drive on these roads and the person ride the trolley on the road. Alright? Now I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to tell each and every one of my viewers and subscribers from right now that no one should ever do something like this that you're about to see in this video. No one should ever attempt to try it. At no point should anyone ever do something like this. It is dangerous. You see me? Alright, now I'm going to present the video to you, and this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers, discretion is advised. Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Okay? To bring to you the concept of 1115, that Google Chromecast 3 TV box, I'll give it to you. Everything is smart nowadays, so you know something good. Yes. Stick around, okay? At 11:15, I got a brain teaser coming your way. Coming up next.
Only is it.
I'll make it down to 45. I've got Alexander standing by to give us the menu as to what's happening down inside the
Only is it.
fantastic food truck.
Oh, fuck.
And the Virgin Islands will find out what's the menu. At 11:30.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to say this again. No one at no point should ever try what they saw in the video that I just presented to you. No one should ever do it. It is dangerous, alright? Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. I want to say big up and respect to each and every one. You can let me know what to think about the videos that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.